Almost sun go down.
Sun is gone na.
Yes, the sun is gonna. It's almost small.
See, let's go dito. Let's go dyan, oh.
Jan?
Yeah, go down there, oh. Yan, oh, here, oh. Yahoo! Yee-hoo! Ooh! Ooh! Ooh!
Ah!
Ooh!
Okay, watch out there. That's so serious now.
Let's go serious na.
That's
It's okay, see, I
serious
can manage
now.
it.
You
See?
can reach it.
I can manage it. Oh, go sit down lang properly, ha? Because let's go up na.
Let's go up now.
Yeah. Woo! This is so hard.
This is so hard.
Yeah.
You're so
Yeah.
tired.
Yeah.
Okay,
Because this one is going up.
you need to be faster. My bike is not tired.
Yeah.
My bike is not... Papa,
Oh,
my bike is not tired.
it's not tired. But I'm tired.
Family, we're almost there. Family,
Yeah.
we're going almost there.
Yeah. 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 Yeah.
We're not tired.
Whew. They're so heavy. Ah.
Okay, family, you can relax. I will jogging na.
Yeah, let's go stop here na.
Stop here.
Yes.
We can go the boat.
Oh, let's go here na. Yeah. You want water? Hi! Enzo!
Hi.
Oh, finally, dito na kami. Grabe, layo. O, remove mo na yung ano.
Grabe.
Ah. Careful lang. Ayan, nag-play daw kami. Careful!
No, this is not near.
No, but be careful, oh.
This is far.
We are near in the water. Really? Ay!
Papa,
Yeah.
Papa,
Yes.
you need to go there in the bike and jogging.
Okay.
Okay, let's go.
Careful. Careful.
Okay.
Oh, water. Drink ka ng water. Ooh, so tired na. Enzo, look dito. Enzo, look. 1, 2, 3. Hello.
Hi guys. Hello.
We're going home nga.
What? We're going in the McDonald's.
Yeah, going home after. Because you will take mama first. Let's go take mama.
We're going home.
Let's go home na. Next time we will go there. Okay? There or in the Flag Plaza. Remember the Flag Plaza? Ooh! Say hi. See you next time, guys.
Hi
Hello.
guys. Hello.
See you next time.
See you next time.
Please follow and share
Follow and share
and subscribe.
and subscribe.
See you.
See you.
Bye.
Bye.